Got a 350Z right here. After we were done, the customer was practically crying. It came out so much better than he thought it would. Here you go. Really beat up. Look at this. Pretty bad, isn't it? Same with the other side. Bad, bad, bad. Look at the transformation. Hold on to your hat. This is why he almost cried. Look at this. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We come to you. We're mobile. We operate in South Florida. Broward County, Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach County. We are 100% mobile. Call us, text us, 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. Text us today.